Now, at this point, I knew whatever he recorded was gonna be funny, y'all. My son is 30 years old and he still know how to put a smile on his mama's face. Get it, son. Yeah. I've been laying around for the last 2 days. And I don't know how this wasn't feeling good, y'all. Very fatigued. My iron levels was low. So this morning I got up and I'm like, you know what, we gotta try something. I'm not really a pill popper, but I did take me some ibuprofen. I feel so much better, y'all. But man, hopefully you guys are having a good day. My son's still here. So I'm happy about that. I may be going up to Houston this weekend. But today we just gonna do some cleaning. I still have a lot to unpack. A lot to unpack. But I'm just taking it day by day at this point. I use my dishwasher as a dryer because I don't dry my dishes and put them right away. So I just let them hang out in there and dry up, especially if I'm trying to accomplish a lot for the day. Now, if I have time, I may go ahead and dry them off, but that's rare. I'm trying to get it all organized where I can put all of my denim. I got denim on that side, on this side. I'm just trying to make it where when I come in here to pull out some outfits. Ooh, I hit myself in the mouth. Whoa, Lord. Where I can pull out some outfits, everything will be organized. So we'll do shorts, skirts, jeans, and then jackets for denim, my satin, things of that nature, y'all. So I do have a lot in this closet that I have to finish, but to have it all organized, I'm excited. I feel like my main struggle is going to come when it's time for me to sort out all of my boots and my heels and shoes, y'all, because I have a lot of them. And this is only like a fourth. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but we're going to figure that part out. I purchased over 1,000 wooden hangers for my boutique. And I feel like, you know what, let's just do wooden at home. And if you can see, I'm color coding them. So I'm watching what I'm put on the hangers so that it can be like shaded as I hang everything up. So right now it's not organized, y'all. Granted, but these are some sturdy hangers and I love it. I just got a habit of wanting things to just be so perfect all the time. And I know that's not realistic, y'all. It's beautiful out here. The weather is amazing. And y'all know I'm steps away from the pool, right? My son ordered mm, my son ordered a deep dish pizza, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. At first I was complaining about these AC units being right here, but that, it is not even that serious, girl, because listen, this apartment, I don't know what type of units these is, and they might be the newer ones. You can see that other one that look a little rusty, might be a little older, but this one right here is mine. Y'all, that AC on point. And this is the pool area right here. I haven't been able to enjoy it yet, but listen, we gonna get out there and we gonna have a good time. You understand me when I say a good time? Y'all, I'm done vlogging for today. I just got a call from my daughter. She done had another accident. Last year in July, she had an accident in her car, and they totaled her car. So she was blessed to get a newer car, SUV. I'm not going to say the brand or the kind, because, you know what I'm saying, it's not necessary, but it was a newer vehicle. And now that's total, y'all. She called me laid back. You know what I'm saying? All of the airbags deployed. I didn't even know they had airbags on the side of these SUVs nowadays. Like, technology. And I'm just grateful she was okay. She said her arm hurt a little bit, but we gonna figure that out. I'm grateful that she had insurance, because some of these 26-year-olds don't have insurance, y'all. They do not carry insurance or care to buy insurance. So I don't know how this gonna play out, but I'm done vlogging for today. I thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna go ahead on and get out of here. I'll finish the house later. Yes, this is how we record our content. Y'all continue to be blessed. I need to figure out what it is my daughter needs to do. If she needs to get an attorney, a lawyer. I know they're the same, y'all. Bear with me. I'm going through it, okay? And if she needs to go to the hospital or what. But I'll catch back up with y'all in my next vlog. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and let me know, is it something that drives you when you're doing something to make you quit? And I'm not saying I'm quitting. I'm not, y'all. I'm just done for today. But I have to check on my kids. I got 3 of them. I know it may not look like it and do. But I got 3 children, y'all. And I have to tend to them and be, the light and the information, so that I don't have to worry about nobody misusing, mistreating, or getting over on my child. But I love y'all. Y'all continue to be blessed and continue to grow with funness. Bye.